Next, we'll demonstrate the closed feather stitch, using 6 strands of colored number 5. First, bring up at this position. Then insert below. Don't pull tight. Leave some slack on the fabric. Bring up at an angle above. Pull upward. Then return to insert below again. Again, don't pull tight. Bring up beside it. Then insert again from above. Again, don't pull tight. Bring up at this position. Following this pattern, complete the remaining lines along their path. Mind the stitch angles and symmetry to maintain pattern beauty and consistency. Alternate stitches left and right, forming continuous V-shapes, similar to a feather pattern. The difference from the feather stitch above is that these V-shapes are closed. Insert the last stitch. This closed feather stitch is now complete. Let's look at the finished result.